Hello. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm continue working on the Silverado, and where I wanted to start today episode is reassembling all these parts back together. Reassemble this grill, reassemble the headlights, reassemble the mirrors, and go and install them. That way I can finish the front end completely and we can see the look of the truck except the doors. But if I will have enough time, I will start assembling doors, because obviously we'll have assembled mirrors. So let's get it going. So guys, while I was assembling headlights and was ready to start assembling the mirrors, something clicked to my head and I'm like, I think the orange lights on so I don't show you this, what I did over here. So I think looks kind of boring, and I was thinking, how can I customize it and make it looks a lot nicer? So let me show you, and you let me know in the comment section what you think. I think it looks pretty cool and I should go to that route. There you go. Here's two comparisons. This is the broken off of this mirror, broken one. You can see I taped it over here because it's missing chunk, and so that way I have a visuality of everything. And I did a really fast, really poor job just to get idea how it's gonna look. And it looks amazing. I already went ahead, plugged it into a truck, and the lights lining up over here, they look yellow when they're on. You can see those LED lights in there. It looks really awesome. With that, I'm kind of stuck with the mirrors again, but it shouldn't take me too long to paint this black, then to wait so it dried out. I can put them actually on my heater and they will dry. Then I can mask it, paint the white, dry it, take the tape off, clear coat it, and put it back on over there. And while I'm gonna be doing something else on the truck, they should be ready, and hopefully by end of the day or tomorrow I can install them and show you guys how they look. I think it's gonna look super nice when the job is gonna be done properly, like this, pearly, and the clear coat is actually even from spray can, because I didn't want to load the gun, and this painted with the Harbor Freight small gun, which is not good gun also. Anyway, let's prepare these things, paint them, and then go outside and start installing all these parts, grill, and the headlights. Sucks that I cannot install the hood. The reason behind that, because I totally forgot to purchase the hinge, hood hinge. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Oh man, this sucks. Oh, camera, let me close it. Yeah, it doesn't want to see it. Ooh, There we go. Now, oh, now you can see. Woo, wow. You can clearly see the difference. I don't know, guys, what's going on. This freaking light, it's yellowish, more yellowish. I don't understand why. This is aftermarket one because the OEM broken, and this is the OE. You can see it's white. So I don't know what's going on with this plastic. So probably something like a coloring added to it. All the clear, not the clear coat, all the reducers start going there, then returning back with all those molecules, whatever you want to call those, and I think that's why it's yellow. I can't do nothing about it. Even if I will send this down again and respray it white, it's still gonna be yellow. So I'm gonna reassemble this like it is. And when I'm gonna go to a guy to tint the windows on the truck, I will ask him to try find the wrap, white wrap, and I'm gonna ask him to wrap this down, because honestly, I mean, I easily can send this down and respray it, but it's gonna be same exact effect, so I don't wanna lose any time. Time is precious for me right now, especially spring is coming, getting warmer. I'm getting busy on construction, so that's something I wanna avoid doing extra job. So while this part was occurring, I actually went ahead and went to a dealer and purchased this 2 brackets, you would say, but this is the hinges on the hood for Silverado. Let's strip them down. Let's get this stickers out, sand them and paint them white. So while they're gonna be drying, I actually gonna install these parts, because I'm gonna reassemble this mirrors while this part's gonna be drying, and then I'm gonna start installing all of those parts. So while all those parts gonna be installed, this should dry it out. It's pretty chilly outside, even though it looks really nice. Wow. Next day here, guys, that is dry hinges, mirrors reassembled. Yes, I'll take care of that. I don't know how, but I will. Either I'm gonna purchase the OEM turn signal and paint it, or like I said, we're gonna wrap it in the wrap. So all these parts ready, reassembled, the grill is ready, reassembled. Now it's time to go and install those parts to see how everything start looking. I can install the hood, I can start installing bumpers. Oh man, everything gonna start coming and piecing together. So let's not waste any minute, let's go install it while we have time to see how everything looks almost complete. got all the parts here. Now you can see all those accents on the daylight. They looks really nice. Especially these mirrors, man. I like how everything looks. So all of this needs to go there. I actually don't remember if I can install the grill. No, I can't install a grill before I can install a bumper. That's a bummer, but I'm still gonna install it because I want to see how it looks with the headlights and the mirrors. Let's get it going. Wow, guys, check this out. This thing is beautiful. It start coming along and start looking way better than when I actually planned. I didn't see that. It's just, you know, doing one thing and clicked like, let's do this. Like a turn signals on the light, on the mirrors. Oh, that's actually not turn signals. That's just running lights. Grill paint the block and with the white, and then everything looks good. You know what I like? What really, those two lines in the mirrors, check it out. So those two lines, right? White, black, white, black, white. Same thing on the grill. White, black, white, black, white. And same thing gonna be on the roof. That's something clicked to me. There's the black lines. It's gonna be white, black, white, black, white. So all those lines kind of matters, right? I wasn't thinking of it, but when I installed it, I was looking. I'm like, look, the grill and everything divides those black lines. Divides it. Same thing on the mirrors, and then same thing on the roof. I think it looks pretty cool. Man, I love how this truck start looking, man. You know, all those time that I spent on it, finally start paying it off. Now I'm gonna go grab the bumper attachment for the aftermarket custom bumper. Attach that bracket, then bring the bumper, install it. First I want to see with that bumper grill, and then I'm gonna try install bumper grill. Hopefully I can. We'll see. And I just can't stop looking at it. This gap is not a biggie. I need to take this headlight out and get some bolts off of it and push it back in. This one looks pretty good, but it's too small for Chevy. It needs to be slightly bigger, and also it needs to be lined up over here. So this line over here, so it needs to be slightly adjusted. But other than that, man, this thing start coming along pretty nice, pretty nice. I can't wait to install the bumper, finish the door handles, finish assembling everything. Man, it's gonna be a beauty and a beast. 2 in 1. Guys, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you, right? It's gonna freaking look awesome. Check this out. No? Still not there? Okay, check it out again. I give you a minute to sink in. Now you get it? There you go. Check it out. Look at this mean beast. He's like, come on, put your ass in the front of me. Actually, not behind me. Put your ass in the front of me and we'll see how far you'll get. Especially put your ass behind, like Honda Civic, put your ass behind. Honda Accord, Toyota Camry. You really wanna see this truck be in the back of your mirror? I think this truck says, "Hey buddy, you better move out of the left lane before I get on your ass," right? Man, I love it. I love it. This truck looks beautiful. Can you imagine how it's gonna look with the fender flares, with the red tow hooks, with the mesh, with the lights, with the light, with everything else? By the way, I thought that I complete painting, and when I was going there to find the bolts for the hood, I realized something. This grill over here also chrome. So right now I'm kind of debating if I want to paint it white or black. I'm thinking I should paint the external outside white, internal black, or maybe whole thing black. I don't know. I can't decide it. I feel like it's gonna be way too much black, and at the same time it's gonna be perfect amount. This sucks kind of grill. This bumper grill blocks the middle white line, so if you look from here it looks nice, right? But it blocks the white line and it throws so much block on the front. I don't know, everything kind of looks blended, especially from far away distance from here. Look, everything looks kind of blended. If you're moving to a side, then it looks differently. Man, it looks nice because you can see all that white accent in the middle and all the block mesh. So what I'm saying is this line's closing this line, and you can't see when it's from a side, it's different. But man, oh man, this thing still looks awesome. Ah man, I cannot get over it. I love it. I love it. I need to stop doing this for people. I need to start doing this for myself. I need to start keeping a truck, keeping a car. That's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. This and few other projects gonna be sold, and the rest of the projects I'm gonna be keeping for myself and for you guys. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here, guys. Thank you for stopping by. If you wanna see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And if you wanna follow this project, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If not, oh well, that's how it is. I'm done here. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.